Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Okay, today I have a new technology that I'm going to show you for everyone that need water from the pond or from the river. You just make a tool like me that I just use the spare part, the motorbike wheels, the spare part, and this one is the old PVC pipe and the metal. So you can just see this is very easy to set up, and I use the old PVC pipe with my old shoes with a string, this one, and it is very easy. You just make it rotation just like a bicycle chain, and it's easy. You can use both of these is like a bicycle wheel, and I use one small bicycle wheel and one big, so I don't wait too long, so I just bring it to show you at the water at the river. So how does it work? So okay, go. It is too easy. I just hold my hand. I no need to attach to any way. I just hold my hand, my one hand, and another hand. I just make it rotation, just move it round and round. So as you can see, okay, so it's easy. If the river is too deep, you can use a longer one, but if like me, you just make sure you put it the right deep. So it just make it rotation and the waters come out. It is too easy, and the water is very strong, like you pump with your machine or with the motor. Okay, as you can see, it's very easy. I no need to attach to the wood or to the tree. I just hold my hand, and when I need the water, I just connect the pipe to the farm or to any barrel or the pound that you want the water to go into. Okay, so the water is very strong. As you can see, the water is pumped up very strong. So make sure you can do exercise and you get the water. Okay, too easy. And this is my first step that I'm doing with this. So I'm going to make the automatic free energy water pump by just putting the water flow, or just make a fan for the wind, and the wind just move it on and the waters come out by itself. Thank you very much.